Hey, it's recipe demo time. You are about ready to learn your new healthy fast food solution. This is a versatile, simple, one dish kind of casserole. And what you're gonna learn is it's actually a framework. All you're gonna see in the recipe is a healthy, low glycemic vegetables, healthy fat, and a lean protein. And you're gonna see how it all layers together in this demo video. I'm gonna walk you through how to do it step by step. This has truly been the solution that has saved my family so much time at dinner. I don't have to stress because I already know what we're gonna heat up and it's ready to go. You can make it ahead of time, you can make it in bulk, or you can just make a little bit of it and make sure you like it. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna walk you through, you're gonna see pictures and some slides, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole process of how to make it. You'll see the recipe in the description of this video, and then I'm gonna come back at the end of the video and give you some tips about how you can swap out the ingredients to even make it more flexible and meet your family's needs without any extra work. So if I haven't met you yet, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alicia Jones. I am so happy you're here. Ingredients, and let's go. All right, so we've got our 9x13 casserole pans out here covered in parchment paper. We're gonna start with the cooked vegetables. You'll see those in the recipe below, already seasoned, so it tastes delicious. This is the protein part. That was the carb. This is the protein. You'll notice how it's mixed with Greek yogurt for extra protein and extra creaminess. We're gonna layer that meat mixture right on top of the veggies, and then we're gonna go ahead and top it with cheese. And it's going to melt and be this delicious, gooey, comfort food, incredibly nutritious, healthy casserole that you can have for dinner tonight. I actually store my leftovers here in portion sizes in the freezer, and then I bring them out just a couple at a time so they're ready for me throughout the week, and I can do the same for my family. This is how I store them in the fridge, and so everybody can just grab it as they need. We have made our casserole. I hope you love that. I hope you see how simple that can be. And if you just start with one casserole, that's 8 servings at least for an adult, maybe more for kids, that you'll be able to have all week long, and you can easily warm up and save yourself a lot of time and stress at dinner. But I told you I wanted to give you a couple extra tips because sometimes we want to mix things up. We have those recipes that work for our family, and then we don't want to get in a rut. Or you've got some allergy issues and food sensitivity things that you really want to be thoughtful of. So I'm going to give you 4 quick tips right here about how you can mix up the ingredients. And they are actually from my recipe book. If you don't have this already, I'll put the information down in the description of this video about how you can access this. This is like a guide of how to create all this kind of stuff. So number 1, you can double or triple the casserole to make dinners ahead for the whole month. And yes, I've done that. And actually, I started just where you are, where I thought, I just want to make a couple days ahead. And then after I got the hang of that, I made 2 casseroles, and then that gave me 16 servings, right? And then after I got the hang of that, I made 3 casseroles. So do what works for you. The point is that you can batch this casserole if you double or triple the ingredients. Okay, number 2, you can swap out the seasoning, of course. Try Italian, barbecue, Asian inspired, whatever works for your family that you guys like, that is gonna be well received and bring that smile to your loved ones' faces. That's what you're going for, right? Number 3, you can swap out the veggies to suit your tastes and your gut. I know not all guts do well with all veggies. I am living proof of that, and that's okay. The point is that put a low glycemic veggie, or 2 or 3, boost your veggie intake, right, in the casserole as you are making it. Some ideas for you: you can try tomatoes for Italian, you can try coleslaw for barbecue. That's actually kind of fun. So just swap it out. You'll see what's in the recipe below, you'll see what's in the pictures that I use, give you some ideas, and do exactly what I did, totally fine, or just swap out what works for you, but keep the framework. The framework is the most important thing I shared with you at the beginning of this video. So that is number 3. Number 4 is that you can also swap out the protein. Ground turkey, carne asada, shredded pork, ground beef, or no meat at all, and use only beans or tofu. You want to be flexible with your needs. If you are specifically vegan, for all, of course, swap it out and use a vegan-based cheese. If you're dairy-free, absolutely, you want to use a dairy-free cheese. This is already gluten-free just because of what's in it. It's already sugar-free because there's no sugar. But there's also other things to consider, and that's okay. So my point in sharing these tips with you is to give you some ideas of how to be flexible as long as you keep with the framework because the framework of that healthy protein, carbohydrate, and fat is going to give your body the nutrition that it needs, keep your gut healthy, keep your weight down, and it will do the same. Grab the resources below this video. There's a snack list down there, there's access to the book down there, and if you haven't already, leave me a comment and let me know what other kind of recipes you are looking for your family, because maybe we can make them over in a way that would suit the macronutrients and give your family the nutrition that they need. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!